Your house needs a proper grounding system like you need coffee in the early morning. Today at Mr.Electric of Chapel Hill and Cary, we are talking about proper grounding systems in a simple way that won't make your brain hurt. Proper grounding gives electricity a safe path to follow in case something goes wrong. It's like giving it a calm exit door instead of letting it run around freaked out like kids on summer vacation. Proper grounding can prevent fires, shock, or even equipment damage. It's the unsung hero of your electrical system, just with no cape. Some of the common problems we see is older houses that don't have grounding at all. You'll have two wire circuits without a ground completely. And this ground is very important because it takes stray electricity back to the source. So when a problem happens, it goes back to the source and the breaker trips. Other common problems we see is outdated grounding system at your electrical service where your meter is, where you only have one ground rod where you're supposed to have two, or you don't have any at all. Grounding systems is what carries stray current back to the earth, so that way when something goes wrong, it has a place to go. One huge problem we've seen in the past in older houses that have metal water lines or older gas lines where the metal water line is not bonded or grounded to the electrical system. If stray current gets on that water line, it can energize faucets and other metal parts of the plumbing system, which could lead to electrical shock. Think of your grounding system as like an emergency drain, but for electricity. When things overflow, it quickly carries the danger away. If you have a home that was built in early 2000s and older, it's most likely that your grounding system is not updated to current code and could leave you at very big potential risks. If you're unsure about this, call us today and we'd be glad to come take a look at it. Proper grounding systems equal a happy house and less sparks, and we love less sparks.